Goethe. Take your bitter medicine. I am Goethe. I have lived in splendor and in poverty. People have passed by me for over 600 years. See, I have been cursed to live forever by the Brotherhood. People have passed through me because I exist for one thing and one thing only, that is human flesh. They say they made me cursed. But I am not cursed. I am the curse upon this pitiful, stinking world.
Look at these bugs. We may have to close you down this time, Goethe.
Are you ready to order yet?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have the stew.
Good luck.
Jesus. There's hair in this stew. There's hair in this, too.
How may I help you, sir?
There is hair in this stew. You know, I got half a mind to call a health department about this.
I believe the health man had a hand in that stew.
Are you sure? It looks a little evil in there.
Can I get you something, my dear?
Do you think you should be serving food with a skin condition?
Hey, lady! Waitress! Waitress! What the hell is this doing in my burger? This is my girlfriend's. Holy shit, you assholes! What's going on here?
Hey, I just work here.
That's where my friends hang out. I'm your lifeguard, baby. I sit on my throne, listen to Rocky blow his saxophone. Ride, Rocky, ride, Rocky, ride.